Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can transfer money between two accounts in Capital One. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Sign into your account online or with the Capital One mobile app text. Get to 80101 to download the app. Step 2. Select an account and choose Transfer or Transfer Money at the top of your account. Page Step 3. Choose the from and to accounts frequency, the date you would like the transfer to take place, and enter the amount you'd like to transfer. You can schedule the transfer for a later date or a repeating transfer. You will also have the option to add a memo, Step 4 slide to confirm the transfer if on mobile. If you are on the website, click the Review button to review the transfer details before submitting Step 5. On the review screen, click Edit Transfer to change any of the transfer details before submission. When you are satisfied with all of your transfer details, click Transfer to confirm the submission.